Data security and sustainability are the primary concerns of organisations disposing of their IT assets. Restore Technology is the UK's leading IT asset disposal company and one of just a handful of organisations worldwide that have the very highest security certification. We're a division of Restore, the largest UK-owned data management company, with facilities across the nation. This means when using Restore Technology for your IT asset disposal, you can have complete peace of mind that your data will be securely erased or destroyed to the highest industry standards.
We have all the accreditations. We don't outsource any part of the service. We're nationwide. We deal with FTSE 100 companies, banks, lawyers, government departments, hospitals, and you can imagine the amount of personal and critical data being held by these organisations. We've had customers for 20 years who have never left us, so you can rest assured you're in really good hands here at Restore Technology.
Restore Technology can undertake a complete IT audit on your behalf, and thanks to our Streams asset tracking portal, you can easily view and manage your entire inventory online. You can also use our online portal to access our full range of services. When your IT assets are no longer needed, we will collect them from your premises and scan them into our custody so you can track their progress. Restore Technology use certified software to erase all data from your digital storage devices. Alternatively, they can be completely destroyed using industry-approved methods, either at your location or at one of our secure facilities. All work is carried out by our fully vetted security professionals, and certificates of erasure or destruction are issued for each item processed, which can be viewed and audited via Streams. We also offer a resale and rebate service where we can sell your unwanted IT assets and return a high percentage of the purchase price to you. Items that cannot be resold will be recycled through our network of partners. Restore Technology have a zero to landfill policy and also make use of solar energy and LED lighting at our facilities.
We're very strong on CSR and environment. Nothing here goes to landfill or ever will, and we try and reuse as much as we can of the technology we pick up after we've cleared off all the data. And we have a wide range of IT services, not just data destruction. We listen to the customer, focused on what their requirements are, and we deliver.
To find out more, visit restore.co.uk/technology.